Today I'm gonna show you how to make a QR code for free. So simply open your any browser, like I'm open my Chrome browser. Go to search option, search it to QR code generator. You get free QR code generator. Just open this, create QR code. Okay, at first I'm copy my channel URL, just paste here, press on this option. As you can see, showing it to my QR code. Okay, easily scan this QR code, change style. Okay, and press on download QR code. That's it.